Watching YouTube videos? Well, today we'll show you how you can do exactly that on payout video website. This platform offers an incredible opportunity to earn unlimited money by simply viewing YouTube videos. The term unlimited here is not an exaggeration. The more videos you watch, the more you earn. So how do you get started? It's easy. First, navigate to the website payout.video. Once you're there, you'll see a sign-up link. Click on it and you'll be directed to a registration form. Fill in your details, including your name and email address. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can view your account balance and name. It's a simple, straightforward process designed to get you earning as quickly as possible. And that's it. You're signed up and ready to start earning. Once you're signed up, you're ready to start watching videos and earning money. Easy as pie, right? Now let's dive a little deeper. When you find yourself on your dashboard, there's a tab marked Video. Give it a click. You'll be escorted to a fresh window where the magic happens. This is where you get to watch videos, not just for entertainment, but to add some weight to your wallet. Now here's the intriguing part. The more videos you watch and the longer you watch them, the more you earn. It's as simple and as exciting as that. You're literally turning your time into treasure. And here's another tip. The longer the videos, the higher your earnings. So if you stumble upon a lengthy video that catches your interest, don't shy away. Embrace it. And just like that, you're earning money while enjoying your favorite videos. But what if we told you there's a way to earn even more without having to manually watch the videos? That's right. The trick is automating the process. You can do this by visiting the fourth option on the payout video website. Here, you'll need an Android phone. Download two applications, Droid Macross and the payout video application. Once you've installed these apps and granted the necessary permissions, you're all set. Now, you don't have to do anything. Just plug your phone in at night, and by morning, you'll see money generated automatically in your account. Want to earn more? Use multiple devices. Initially, you can expect to earn around $2 to $3 per day. But here's the kicker. The longer you use the service, the more videos become available for you to watch. This means you can earn between $5 to $10 every 7 to 8 hours. And the payout? It's instant with a $1 threshold. So why wait? Start earning unlimited money today just by watching YouTube videos on payout.video website.